Life often throws unexpected challenges at you. It's not just the obstacles you see coming. Sometimes, it's the ones you don't anticipate that hit you the hardest, setting you back in ways you couldn't have imagined. It can feel overwhelming, like you've reached your limit, and your capacity to handle more is exhausted. Just when you think you can't take on another thing, something unforeseen happens, leaving you questioning your ability to cope. In those tight spots, when everything seems to be against you, and you feel like you can't hold on for another moment, that's precisely when you mustn't give up. It's at these moments that the tide often turns. There will be times when your energy is so depleted that giving up seems like the only option. But from personal experience, I can assure you, don't quit. When life is at its toughest, that's when most people turn back. But as long as you're alive, there's hope. You're still here, and it's never too late or too dark to turn things around. There will be bad days and dark days, but you need to embrace them because it's the pain that makes you stronger. Pain is the cost of growth. To mature and develop, you must endure hardship. You can't grow on easy street, and the very things that discourage you are the same things that help you develop. No one is coming to save you. The only person who can make a significant change in your life, whether physically, mentally, emotionally, or spiritually, is you. You have to stand up and face your challenges. We all experience moments of self-pity, but you have to decide whether to be a victim of your circumstances or a victor. Master your emotions and don't let them control you. You are the captain of your ship, deciding whether to let things affect you positively or negatively. In life, there's only winning and learning. Your problems become gifts once you learn from them. Some of you may have let setbacks stop you, but I urge you not to give up. Push through it. Execute your plans. Get up, get dressed, and do what you're called to do. Prove everyone who doubted you wrong. If you can endure the pain, I guarantee there's a reward waiting on the other side. Remember, pain is temporary, not permanent.